Hey guys, have you ever asked yourself a question how these people that are posting tasks for you to do are able to make money? Have you ever thought of that? In today's video, I'm going to show you how they make money even more than you as a worker. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about buyer side. Remember in my previous video, I actually talked about the freelancer. I explained how it works and everything about it. And so if you want to watch it, you can go back to my previous video and actually take a look at it. So today I'm going to talk about buyer side. So before I talk about buyer side, let me quickly tell you actually how it works. This is how it works. In buyer side, if you see yourself as employer, like you actually employ people to work for you, all these tasks you are seeing here, it is being posted by people who operate on buyer side. Like they come here to post tasks like all these SEO plus promote content plus engage you are seeing here. It's actually posted by people, and once you engage on it, perform a particular task, you get paid by doing so, and as you are doing it and they are making their own money. For instance, let me quickly show you something, but before I do that, in this my channel I talk about arbitrage. If I see anyone active, I also talk about app review, website review, as I'm doing right now, to show you how you can make money using app and how you can also make money using website. I will be giving you updates on how you can make money from the two anytime I find one. So please, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. So I'm going to show you something. As you can see, this SEO plus promote content plus engagement is actually paying you 0.03 cents if you actually complete a task like this. Okay, then as a buyer, this is what you will do. Let me click back buyer section. Okay, now we have toggled on back to buyer side. So this is buyer side. As you can see, I have amount of 0.09 cents, which if I can make use of it, if I want to make use of it, then this what you do. Once you are on this buyer side, the first thing you need to do is deposit money into your account, depending on your budget, depending on how many people you want to work for you. You can deposit money and set up your own job, and they will making money. I will also tell you how it works, how these people are making money even more than you as a worker. So first of all, this is what you do. You come to spendable, where you see spendable here. Now click on it. If you want to deposit money, you can deposit money through credit slash debit card and other method. You can also deposit money through ATM. You can also deposit money through cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin, and the rest. So I have already have like 0.68 cents from my previous task that I completed. So I'm going to transfer the money back here. So I now put the amount I want to transfer back here. Let me say everything. Let me say 0.68 cents. Now transfer. Yes, transfer it. Okay, as you can see, transfer completed. Now click on OK. I see my balance now has changed. Just look at this spendable side. My balance has changed from 0.009 to 0.7 cents. Now click on post jobs. Yeah, as you can see, this is if you this is where you post your job. You select your targeting zone, you follow the step by step to post your jobs, and you can also talk about what your job is all about and the rest, and how you want people to complete job. I'm not actually going to show you how to post a job unless you are interested in for me to make a video like this to you, and I will do that. But right now I'm going to tell you how people make money using this buyer site. Okay, let me go back to freelancer to show you some posted jobs and explain about it. I'm on freelancer side now. Let me show you something. Quickly show you something. All these jobs you are seeing here, they are being posted by buyer. So like this SEO plus promote content plus engagement, this is how it works. Let me click on it to show you a clear example of what I'm talking about. Okay, like you can see this job, you can see the requirements and everything is being posted by a buyer. And do you ask yourself a question like, if I'm actually working for these people and I'm getting paid, how are they making money? Yes, this is actually a tax from a blog. Like, they ask you to log into their blog, create impression, and click on an ads. So that's the only thing they require from you, and by so doing they are actually making money from it, but you people don't actually know about it. You know, they are bloggers. They post articles anytime somebody engage or sign into their bloggers, engage with it, especially click ads, they're actually making money. So this is how they make money. Bloggers earn money through advertisement and also doing affiliate marketing on their blog, like posting jobs or posting links for people to click and buy a particular product, and they make money. And they are also making money from AdSense. They are making money from Google AdSense by posting articles, and each time ads display on their blog and anybody eventually click on the ads, they are making money depending on the niche you are using. If you are using niche like traveling niche and tech niche, you make money, a whole lot of money. And this is how they make money. Imagine like traveling niche in third world country like Nigeria is from $6 to $10 each ads that display on your website, on your blog. Each time anybody click on it, you are earning 6 to $10. So this is how they make money. They come here to post an ad, ask people to go and do it, ask people to be engaging on their website, and by so doing, all the ads you click on it, the impression you are going through, like as if all those 10 seconds you are wasting on that app, you are actually creating impression for them, and they're actually making money. Once you click on ads, they're actually making money. AdSense pay bloggers $1 to $5 every 1,000 visitors, and they pay them $6 to $10 every ad click on their content. So that's how they actually make money. Let me show you something actually. Okay, let me use my calculator to show you this actually. We are on our calculator now. Imagine AdSense actually pay bloggers $6 every time someone clicks on their ad. Imagine 30 people clicks in a day. 6 times 30, how much is that? $180 every time 30 people click on the ads. And what they will do is that they will come to sproutgig and actually pay people to be doing that, to be clicking and creating impression for them. What they'll do is, okay, imagine they pay 30 people 0.03 cent times 30. They actually spend 0.9. What they will gain is 6 times 30, that's 180. Then 180 180 minus, they are making cool cash, they are making a whole lot of money. But you people don't know, you people are just working for them, why they make money. You work for them, they make money and they pay you little more. Just like in our present day society right now, like we have the boss, the manager, and the workers. Where the boss will not do anything, just sitting down to earn the money, while people are there suffering, working for him or her, and he's busy making his own money. Got more for the manager. That is how it works. Yeah, they pay you a little amount of money to work for them while they earn big. That is how they actually make money on this website. So if you actually find this, I don't actually want this video to get longer because it's actually getting longer. So if you want this, if you actually like a video like this, please subscribe and turn on the notification button so that next time I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to benefit from it. I'm also going to be dropping updates like this for you people to be making money. So if I also see an arbitrage update, I will also drop it here. But right now I'm going to be dropping updates free, how you can be making free money, because we are all looking for how to make money. Thank you.